Now, Pavilion Damansara Heights Phase 2 introduces two brand new residential towers, Royal Suites and Imperial Residence. At first glance, they look like they're part of the same luxury development, but after touring both, I realized they were designed for completely different buyers. Today, let's find out which one is suitable for you. Phase 2 isn't just adding two new residential towers, it also completes the master plan with a luxury hotel, corporate office towers, and premium residence, bringing together retail, hospitality, business, and luxury living into one integrated destination. Royal Suites offers a variety of layouts, from compact city homes to spacious dual key residence. And Imperial Residence, of course, takes a very different approach, with every home starting at around 3,003 square feet and designed for buyers who want significantly more space. Both enjoy the same integrated lifestyle with direct access to Pavilion Damansara Heights Mall, the MRT station, and of course, hotel-style facilities. So today, we are keeping things simple. Let's step inside both of the show units and see which one suits you best. By the way, if you enjoy this walkthrough, if you enjoy in-depth property tours like this, right, please do consider subscribing, as I'll be doing this every single week, sharing you all the latest news as well. Let's move on. Okay, let's start with Royal Suites. Today we are touring the 753 square feet J2 layout, and it's a one bedroom plus study that perfectly represents what this tower is all about. Let's get inside. Okay, as you enter in, you see a shoe rack at your left. Right. One thing is you can see it's very, very open. Surprisingly very open for this size. So kitchen, dining and living areas all flow very naturally together, making the space feels much more larger than the actual size itself. But my favorite part is not the living room actually, it's this enclosed study over here. So unlike many one bedroom layouts, right, this is really a proper room that you can use it as a home office, nursery, or even a guest room. Okay, giving you more flexibility as your lifestyle changes. Okay. And in your living area here on your right, this will be your bedroom. It's quite tucked away from the living area, creating more privacy. Okay, and on my right, this will be the bathroom itself, with rain shower, nice vanity mirror, and of course you even have a door here so that your guests can actually use the bathroom without going into the bedroom itself, which is which is very practical, whenever there's guests come by. Okay, Royal Suites offers layouts ranging from compact city homes to really nice spacious dual key residence. So currently, SPA prices starts from around 1,006 per square feet and can go up to approximately 2,000 per square feet, depending on the unit size, floor level, and also the facing. Overall, I would think Royal Suites, it's quite a versatile choice. It's designed for buyers who value flexibility, whether you're a professional, a couple, investor, or a small family. By the way, one question I get quite often from overseas buyers is that whether foreigners can actually purchase properties like this in Malaysia or not. If there's something that you're also wondering, right, I've put together a free guide explaining the entire process. You'll find it in the description below. But what if flexibility isn't your priority? What if you're looking for a home that's designed more for family living, entertaining, and privacy instead? Well, that's where Imperial Residence comes in. For Imperial Residence today, we'll be touring the 4,090 square feet layout that comes with a helper's room and also a private lift lobby. This layout is quite interesting because I like to think of it as having two sets of personalities. So on the right hand side is where life really happens, and on the left hand side, right, is where you unwind, you recharge as well. This is the private lift lobby, as you can see here. For me, right, having a private lift lobby, it doesn't just add privacy, it creates a real sense of arrival actually, making this feel much closer to a landed home rather than a typical condo. So as you step into the home, you are immediately welcomed As I said, on the right hand side here, you're welcome on the entertainment wing. Generous living areas designed to bring people together, whether it's hosting friends, celebrating festive occasions, or simply spending quality time with your family. So one thoughtful detail as well is, I noticed the placement of the guest bedroom, which is all the way behind. So the guest bedroom here, rather than locating it together with the family bedrooms, right, it's positioned closer to the entertaining space. That means your visiting relatives, overnight guests, parents can have more privacy and enjoy a little more independence actually. While the rest of the family still maintains privacy in the main bedroom wing, and they even have an ensuite bathroom here as well. Okay. And I really like the flooring. Look at this herringbone pattern timber flooring. So you have your dry kitchen here. That naturally becomes another social space. Since it's so connected to the living area, as you can see here, you know, it's where you can have conversation with your friends while making meals, making it very perfect for families who enjoy entertaining. Another feature that I really like is this lanai over here. It extends your living space outdoors, giving you another place to enjoy a morning coffee or simply unwind after a long day. Because sometimes you don't want to always have air condition on all the time. So you can open up the windows, right, and enjoy fresh air as well. And that's one thing that's special about Phase 2, right? Phase 1, you don't have something like that, except for the penthouses in Crown. But the rest, they're all enclosed. And this is the wet kitchen over here. It's where you do your heavy cooking. You have your hood and hob, plenty of storage space, okay? And your backsplash or your countertop here, you can put anything that you want as well. Water filter dishwashing machine also can. It comes with a fridge. And right at the end there, that's the washer and dryer. This is where you do your washing, and this is the helper's room as well. It comes with an ensuite bathroom here as well. Okay, so as you move across the home, right, the atmosphere changes completely. By separating the bedrooms from the entertaining space, family members can enjoy their own quiet retreat, even while you're hosting guests. So on the right hand side, this is the master suite. Wow, look at this. It's generous without feeling excessive. So it comes together with a walk-in wardrobe as well. That's where you can put all your expensive bags, watches, and of course behind me, this is the ensuite bathroom. Okay, it comes with his and her sink, marble, huge vanity mirror. It's like your own very comfortable sanctuary. On the left hand side here, this is where the bathroom as well. And this is your bathtub with top filler. So the other bedrooms, right, it follows the same design language. Yeah, it's spacious and suitable for small families, even for multi-generational families as well. Look at that. You can even fit another cabinetry here as well. Wardrobe space. And of course, this is your ensuite bathroom. Very tastefully designed. Even the vanity mirrors has LED lighting behind, marble. Also very spacious, very brightly lit with high ceilings and huge windows as well. So Imperial Residence, right, also comes semi-furnished with premium international brands like Bosch, Smeg, Frank, Villeroy and Boch. So really reducing the amount of work before you move in, you know. All you need is brand new curtains and some loose furnitures and a bit of ID just to spice up the place. That will look very, very nice. Okay, so unlike Royal Suites, right, Imperial Residence starts from 3,003 square feet. Current SPA price is around 1,007 to 2,003 like that per square feet, depending on the layout, you know, the floor level and also what kind of facing. You know, you can be either facing KL City Centre or even Bukit Kiara, Damansara Heights site. So if Royal Suites is designed for flexibility, then Imperial Residence is designed for families who simply don't want to compromise on space, privacy, and also everyday living. Now, a luxury home, right, isn't just about the space in the unit. It also comes with the lifestyle as well, right? So since Pavilion Damansara Heights Phase 2 is still under construction, so you know we can't really walk the facilities just yet. So for the visuals I'm going to show you now, right, it's what you're seeing is actually facilities from Phase 1, which will give you a better indication about the quality and the kind of lifestyle that Pavilion has already delivered. You know, you can expect very thoughtfully designed facilities that go beyond just having a very nice swimming pool with a nice view. You know, it also is about creating spaces where you can relax, entertain guests, exercise, or you know, simply spending time with your family. So yeah, after touring both homes, right, and getting a glimpse of the lifestyle, right, that comes with it, one question remains why are so many buyers paying a lot of attention? You know, why are so many buyers paying a lot of attention to Pavilion Damansara Heights Phase 2? I think there are 4 reasons. Firstly, Phase 2 will complete the master plan by bringing together, you know, premium residence, luxury hotel, corporate office towers, retail mall, all into one integrated destination where you know you can live, work, shop, and stay as well. So secondly, of course, residents can enjoy direct access to the mall, MRT station, making it very convenient. I mean, this is definitely one of the development's biggest strength. Thirdly, I think this is very important. You should hear this. Current SPA pricing, right, it remains highly competitive. You know, Royal Suites starting around 1,006 per square feet, while Imperial Residence ranges from 1,007 to 2,000 per square feet. That is very competitive when you compare with many other established luxury developments in Damansara Heights, you know, where prices are already appreciated up to around 2,000 to 2,002 per square feet. Finally, last but not least, right, what I appreciate most is that Phase 2 does not try to build one product for everyone. Instead, it offers 2 very different homes for 2 very different buyers. So which one will you choose? Now, if you're looking for flexibility, efficient layouts, you know, lower entry point, then Royal Suites is quite a good fit. But if your priority is space, privacy, and long-term family home, right, Imperial Residence stands in a completely different category, my dear friends. Either way, you both enjoy same integrated lifestyle that Pavilion has been designed around. So if you enjoy this walkthrough and want to take a deeper look at Pavilion Damansara Heights as an investment or own stay, you know, stay tuned because there'll be a video that I'm working on coming in the next few days. In the meantime, if you're comparing luxury developments, right, I highly recommend watching my walkthrough of Jendela Residence KLGCC. Because while Pavilion Damansara Heights offers a very convenient integrated lifestyle in one of Kuala Lumpur's most prestigious neighborhood, right, Jendela KLGCC takes you right into the heart of the city, and the development itself is located in one of the best golf courses in Malaysia as well. I mean, it also gives you a much more, how would I say, better perspective for, you know, on which kind of lifestyle investment opportunity suits you best. I leave that video on the screen right now. You know, you can check it out or in the description. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.